Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about a terminal text editor called Vim, and it's a lot like any other text editor that you'll see, except it runs in the terminal, like here, and it's very complicated. Um, but part of the reason why so many people use Vim is because it has a lot of options and it also has a lot of capabilities to it that other command line text editors like Nano don't possess. So um, I think it'd be better just for me to explain to show this to you than explain. So I'll start by showing you how to install it. Just like anything else on like a Debian-based system, you can install it by typing sudo apt-get get install vim. Hit enter. Type in your password. Dang it. Yeah. Type in your password. Hit Y. Enter. Same thing as normal. Then, in order to create a document with Vim, well, I'm just going to change the desktop because, and then you can just type in vim space and then your file name. I will name this pancakes.txt. So all these squiggles, or I guess they're called, what are they called? Tildes. All they mean is they're just empty space. So something kind of interesting about Vim is that it actually has two modes to it. If you noticed right off the bat when you create a document in Vim, you can't really type anything, and that's because you are right now in command mode, and that's where you like access the functionality in Vim is in command mode, and basically that's where you like do all the really cool stuff that goes on in Vim, and I'll show you that later in a later video. But right now, let's just write some text. So, in order to get out of command mode, you can hit I, and now you can see that we're in insert mode, and that now we can type whatever we want. So, whatever we want. And then I'll just make some more lines. Make a long line. There we go. Good enough. So first of all, in order to like move around, well, actually, to move around, you can just use the arrow keys. But when you're in command mode, to get into command mode, you can just hit escape, the escape key. So now you're back in command mode. You can still use the arrow keys, but no one really does when they're in command mode. The way that you're supposed to use to move around while you're in command mode is with your right home keys. So to go here, I'll go to this line. To move left, you hit H. So here, H. I'm hitting H. To go right, you hit L. To go up, you hit K, and down is J. So that's just character by character, but if you want to like be moving word to word to word, all you have to do is just to go to the end of words, you hit E. And to go to the beginning of words, you hit B. So just hit B. And then to delete characters, you can hit X. Yeah, that's about all I'm going to show you guys for as far as simple commands go. That's all you really need to know. And that'll help you if that's all right there. I just deleted a line. I don't know why I did that. Oh yeah, one more thing. In order to undo and redo, U used to undo. So let's see, I'll just delete all that. I'll hit U, and there, I undid it. And then to redo, you hit Control R, and you can see it's all gone. And that's it. That's all I'll show you for now. So now that you've done what you wanted to do, make sure you're in command mode, and then hit :WQ. And what this stands for is write and quit. So say you didn't want to write your changes, you could type Q exclamation point, and all that'll do is it tells it I want to quit and I want to overwrite the changes that I've made. And if you didn't make any changes, you can just hit Q for quit. So I'm going to I don't want to keep this junk file, so I'll just quit. And another thing is, like, I was very jarred when I was trying to get used to moving around in Vim, and it was hard for me to get that into my brain. So something that kind of helped me transition what I was, or rather helped me transition to Vim, was something called gvim, and it looks. Wait. Oh, I uninstalled it. Okay, so I'll just show you guys how to install it. I can see right here. You can install it with this. So I just type in sudo apt-get install vim-gtk. So basically all it does is it's just like Vim, but it allows you to move around with your cursor. So you can start it by typing gvim. And again, it's just like Vim, except it starts in edit mode, or insert mode, I mean. So there's me typing just like in Vim, and it looks just like Vim. But see, as you can see, I'm moving around with my cursor. And you can actually highlight text, and yeah, you can't right click and copy, but you can copy with that button, and it's very useful. That's what I was using for a while, and then I kind of got back into using just the command line editor. But yeah, if you're kind of feeling like a shock from Vim, this really helps, and I found this to found that this really helps, and I was using this for a while. So yeah, this is really great. What was it? vim-gtk, whatever. Where did yeah, vim-gtk. So just install that, and I'd really recommend this tool. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I really hope this helps with your endeavors. You know, editing text files. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this, make sure to rate, maybe comment about it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.